Good morning, this is Brenda DeArmond, and I'm getting ready to show you this beautiful home at 1271 Zeek Ridge in Clermont. The home's only been occupied for 6 months, so you're in for a treat. Here, we're walking toward the front of the house. 2-car garage. All the bushes are neatly trimmed. As we walk through the beautiful walkway here. See all the nice bushes. You got a good sized front porch here if you want to put some furniture in it. The double doors, leaded glass double doors are always nice. Really gives a good presentation here. And you're welcome. Come on in, let's look it over. As you walk in the door, you can see all the way through to the backyard where they're having the living room here. But first thing you do to your left would be the office. See, the office has plantation shutters. Plenty of room in here. You'll notice as we go through, all the ceilings are unique. And over to the other side is the powder room for your guest. Very nice. And at the front is bedroom number 2. It has its own private bath. It could be 2 master suites, basically. This is bedroom number 2. See the tile work on there? And the light fixtures are beautiful. Go into the bedroom. You see we have plantation shutters in the front bedroom. Gives it plenty of light. And your closet here. And we go back out here into the living area. The living area is really supposed to be the living and dining area. They don't have the dining in this house. But there to the left is vacant area. You can put your tiny dining room table there. Look at the floors. They're all tile floors. They look like wood, but they're tile floors. And I have crown molding in here and recessed lighting. Plenty of room to do whatever you want. And it brings you into the kitchen. And you're in the kitchen, you can see the living room or the family room, whatever you want to see. You're not stuck in there by yourself. Here you got the wall ovens over here. Goes all the way up and actually has crown molding on the 42-inch cabinets. It's a beautiful color. And it has the island here again. We'll go around the other side of the island and see the stainless steel dishwasher and the upgraded sink. And again, these are quartz counters. Move you over to the gas cooking stove. All stainless steel. Look at the backsplash is beautiful. And this room here is the family room. See the tray ceilings on this one. Plenty of light. You can see outside. And over, as we come through here, this area here is the dinette area, which has beveled glass, so you can see out in the lanai or outside. And we're coming back through the living area to the master bedroom. Okay, the master bedroom is here to the left, and it has a lot of perks as well. Beautiful ceiling, bay windows. Some unique blinds in this house. And it moves on into the upgraded master bathroom. On the left, you got the double sinks. And on the right is a massive shower. Takes up practically that whole side of the room. Beautiful master shower. See the flooring on this one? It's all a lot of tile in this home. Here is, coming up, is the master closet. To get that light on in there so you can see it. The master powder room. And here's the closet. This is upgraded. As you can see, the owners added this after they bought the home. Plenty of drawers and hanging areas. You won't have any problem putting anything away. And here's the other side of the house. It's a three-way split. The three-way split, we're coming into bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3. Not really using this as a bedroom today, but this could be your third bedroom. It also has a nice walk-in closet. Flip that light on here. And over here, we have the bathroom with a walk-in shower. Plenty of privacy in this home if you have a lot of guests. Okay, further down the hall, we're going into the utility room, the laundry room. Nice sink in this one. Even upgraded cabinets in the laundry room. How nice is that? Just going to show you briefly what the floors in the garage look like. They have epoxy on the floors. Here's the lanai, going out on the lanai, showing you the backyard. They just had screened in this lanai, so you can sit out there and relax. But there's plenty of room for a pool out here. Lots of area for a swimming pool. Whatever you want, just let us know.